Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Parkside Performance Cordless Flathead Angle Grinder 20 volt, the model PPWSFA 20LIA2. Bare unit only, battery and charger not included, brushless motor, extra long life due to less wear and tear, no load speed max 8500 RPM 6 steps, disc size up to 125mm diameter, tool holder M14 spindle lock, accessories included, use it for metal, 5 years warranty, ready to connect the angle grinder with a battery and with a little app. It is compatible with all batteries in the X20 volt team series. In comparison to the Parkside Cordless Angle Grinder PWSA 20Li D4, we have 10 times longer motor life, 44% more compact angle grinder head with smart function. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Nice case, Parkside Performance, red and black, with a handle. Included we have the manual and of course only the power tool. So inside the box obviously you can have the 8 Ah battery if you want. You can connect that here, or the 2 Ah battery, it is your choice. The charger you can use if you want the 4.5 amp fast charger, or you can use the regular charger. Oftenly I'm using the regular charger, slowly charging my battery. Definitely you will have a longer life for your battery. And here we have another space, maybe you can have some cutting discs, some tools if you want. It is a huge case. Auxiliary handle, you can remove and install it at this position, the other side. Compare it with other angle grinders. The other angle grinders will have another screw hole here, so you can install this handle and here. At this angle grinder, flathead angle grinder, you can install it at the left or at the right. Very soft grip in here. It is lightweight. I like it. Plastic here, metal. By the first look here we can see all the controls. I will show you in a moment. We have the guard cover with attachment. You can remove the attachment if you want. Reinstall, so easy. And of course, let me see if we can adjust that. Okay, no, we don't have any adjustment. Or we have, yes we have. There it is, we have this lock and lock switch. So you can pull that down and then you can adjust the guard. It locks here, so we have first position, that is the maximum, second, third, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Nice. So it rotates 180 degrees. We have the spindle lock. Press the button, it will lock the disc, and then you can remove the disc. And to remove the disc you need the key. There's the key, very good storage position, I like here, at the handle. Press the button, lock the disc, okay. Rotate and remove the keyless chuck. Remove the disc, Parkside Performance, with a diameter 125 mm and 22.23 mm the thickness, for grinding. And here at the base we have and the mounting flange. And we can check how it's rotating, pulling the lever and rotates. There's the lever. That it locks here. Lock the disc again, tighten it with your hand, and then you can use the key. By rotating the guard, you have better position for the key. Perfect. And you're never going to lose the key. Store it at the handle. Very tight. And now we need the battery. There's the battery, 8 Ah professional battery. You can buy this battery for about 70 euros. If you want, you can choose the 4 Ah professional battery. It costs 39 euros. It depends the market. Right now it is in lock mode. Press this button, unlock, lock, unlock. The battery indicator, red, orange and green. With this button you can choose the speed, first, second, third, 4, 5 and 6. First. And of course we have the on-off switch. Double press to start. Press once and it stops. Again to start, press the unlock button, double press. And that was all. So now let's connect it at the app. I'm using the Smart Life app. You can use the little app. We can see the LED indicator is on, the connection LED indicator. Download the little smart app to upgrade your battery. Security switch, you can set a pin, battery work mode, performance, balance it, endurance, expert. On expert mode you can choose the low discharge voltage or the discharge current limit. In the past I have made a video for this battery. You can check right in the corner after the end of this video. Endurance. Only at the expert mode you can change these values. Performance. Battery finder. We start flashing the LED indicators at the battery. If you have more than one battery, it helps that. Overheat switch on or off. Celsius, Fahrenheit information, statistics. And we can see here discharge to empty time, 90% the battery. Temp, charge, discharge, battery. discharge. Now, I don't think anyone will bother to check his smartphone how is discharging the battery and what is the temperature when it's working. But you can have all these informations from this app and even upgrade the battery. And of course you can use a cutting disc. First remove the battery. And you can cut any metal you want, cutting or grinding. I will be testing this flathead angle grinder next week, so stay tuned. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tools, reviews and DIY tips. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with the Parkside flathead angle grinder 20V, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.